The best way to properly maintain a knife is by keeping that edge from becoming a restoration project. To do that, you want to align the edge on a regular basis. What we use for that process is a steel. The typical steel is just that. It's a metal rod. It's got a fine or a little bit of a toothy grit to it. What we want to do is we want to take that knife edge and that has a tendency in contact with the cutting board to roll over a bit, and we want to straighten it back out so that it's good and strong and sharp. So we're not using the side of the knife to cut, but really the sharpened edge. Get yourself something to hold the tip in place, because defining that angle and being able to hold that is really important. Then, of course, you'll need a knife. To find that angle, we simply take our knife and steel at 90 degrees. I know that half of that is 45, half again is 22 degrees, which is your typical cutting angle for a German-style knife. If you've got an edge that's maybe a little more acute, like the 15-degree edge on this knife, you come about a third back closer to the blade, and then you're ready to go. Our goal then is to hold this angle steady while I keep the knife straight up and down. Using my index finger on the heel of the knife so I know where to start every time, I simply place it gently against the rod and pull down and away. I'm not putting a lot of pressure here. Again, I'm just trying to straighten that edge out. And my process is to take 5 strokes on one side, move the angle over to the other, and simply repeat that 4, 3, 2, and 1. And you know you're done when you don't feel any grittiness or coarseness. You really feel that edge coming back into alignment like it should.